Hi Joshua, this is Simon. I said I'd do a quick video about counting the swing. So hopefully, whoops, daisy, those are my fingers. Hopefully this will help a bit. So let's have a quick look at the actual music. So we've got a time signature. And the time signature is 3/4. And we know that the top number is the number of beats in the bar. And then the bottom number tells us what type of beats those beats are. So the top number's 3, we know there's 3 beats in the bar. And the bottom number's 4, so we know the 3 beats are crotchet beats. So we've got 3 crotchet beats in every bar. Let's have a little look along this top line. Just ignore this for a second, we'll come back to this bit. So here's a bar line. Here we've got a minim. So a minim is 2 crotchet beats, and then we've got a crotchet, so that's 1 crotchet beat, 2 plus 1, 3. Here we've got a minim, that's 2 crotchet beats. And here we've got 2 quavers. Now remember, quavers are half a crotchet beat each. So if we've got 2 of them, half plus a half is 1 crotchet beat, plus these 2 crotchet beats from the minim makes 3. Same thing here, we've got a minim, which is 2 crotchet beats long, and we've got 2 quavers, which are each half a beat long. So half a crotchet beat plus half a crotchet beat is 1 crotchet beat for these 2 quavers, plus 2 crotchet beats for this minim, 3 crotchet beats. Now the slightly confusing thing is these 2 quavers here, because this isn't a full bar of music. These 2 quavers, if we have a think about it, half a crotchet beat plus half a crotchet beat add up to 1 crotchet beat. So we're missing 2 crotchet beats off the beginning. So if we've got 1 crotchet beat, 2 crotchet beats, 3 crotchet beats would be here. So that's why we start counting on 3. So hopefully that makes a bit more sense, being able to come into the music and show you this. So let's carry on thinking about counting. Oops, sorry, camera's wobbling. So if we've got 3 crotchet beats in the bar, and we count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then we're going to be counting each of those 3 crotchet beats. So we'll be counting in crotchets. The thing is, we've got these quavers dotted about the place, and it's nice to be able to count those as well. So remember, there's 2 quavers to a crotchet. So we want a way to make 2 sounds happen for every crotchet so that those are our quavers. And we do that by adding the word and. So when we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and, we're counting the quaver beats. You remember we did that clapping at the end of the lesson. So I'm just going to do some tapping now, and hopefully all this will make sense again. So I'm going to count just crotchet beats, 1, 2, 3, and first I'm going to tap crotchets. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then if I wanted to think about quavers, I could add the word and then I'm counting quavers, and I'm going to tap quavers as well. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. And if I wanted to count quavers and tap crotchets, I could still do that. I'd just only tap on the numbers rather than the word and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So our rhythm here, if I start counting on 3 and, good, piano's turned on, is 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and. Do that one more time. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and. Hopefully that makes a bit more sense. If it doesn't, don't worry. We're going to look at some slightly more straightforward music next week that will bring in this whole counting thing a little bit more gently than this piece does. This piece is a little bit full on. Give it a go anyway. I think you'll be surprised. And we'll do some more on this next time. All the very best. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.